Hello everyone, I'm Cynthia from Electronics. Over the past 2 years, our BIM family series sales have accumulated over 100 millions in over 100 countries and regions worldwide. So what is the next bestseller in commercial display market? Here is it. BIM Plus-T X. BIM Plus-T X features double-sided independent display with different brightness level. That means 50% more visibility and a higher return on investment. With pixel pitches including 1.9 and 2.6, your visuals stay crystal clean, whether viewed up close or from a distance. Its integrated cooling system delivers 30% better heat dissipation. BIM Plus-T X supports 10-meter hanging installations with secure wireless connections. Installation is faster, easier, and requires less labor. Both sides are fully front-maintainable, reducing maintenance costs. At only 26 kilograms per square meter and 45 millimeters thin, BIM Plus-T X is 19% lighter than competitors, cutting shipping and installation costs. You can choose from 3 multiple panel sizes, perfect for shopping malls, airport lodges, baggage claim areas, and shop windows. BIM Plus-T X is the 6th member of our BIM family. Which BIM module did you first hear about us from? Capture the next group's opportunity in the commercial display market and contact our sales team for the BIM Plus-T X package and pricing, and achieve a faster return on your investment.